Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices, headset and host. Power on the Pico, update firmware, and open the Pico Connect app on your phone or PC. Once done, make sure both devices are on the same Wi-Fi band and that Bluetooth is enabled for quick discovery. You should see the headset appear in the app list. If not, toggle Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, then scan again. This initial alignment prevents pairing errors and speeds the rest of the setup. You now pair and configure. Tap the headset in the Pico Connect app and confirm the numeric PIN you see inside the headset. This secures the connection. Then allow required permissions. Without microphone and storage access, streaming and file transfer fail. After pairing, fine-tune stream quality. Choose a lower resolution or 30 FPS on congested networks, raise to 60 FPS on stable, high-speed Wi-Fi. These choices balance latency. You finish by starting the cast or file transfer and verifying performance in the headset. Watch for latency, dropped frames, and battery drain. Make adjustments to quality or power settings as needed. If the session fails, first restart the Pico Connect app, then reboot the headset. Also verify both devices remain on the same Wi-Fi and that no VPN is blocking traffic. For persistent lag, switch to the 5 GHz network or tether the host via Ethernet to reduce interference and stabilize.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.